everybody, it's me Megan here at FitLife. Coming to talk to you today about heart murmur. And out of the Women's Health magazine, January-February 2018 edition, I got some help on what this means. And sometimes your heart might be doing something where it's like, it's irregular, right? And it's a cause for concern. And so you see your doctor, and in most cases, it has to do with the blood flow of your heart, right? And it can just be that you have the chest muscles in your heart are thin, or the valves open and close differently. And it can adjust itself over time. You might get shortness of breath, blackouts, and in that case, you can get an EKG, and your doctor will tell you, what limitations you have, or help you in the right direction. But on your fitness journey, as I've worked with clients who have something like a heart murmur, as long as you know yourself best when to stop, when you're getting dizzy, lightheaded, or faint, then we can do the best we can and accommodate and modify. Because this is a fitness journey, and there are speed bumps along the way, but we make it work for you and your body. So don't let a heart murmur stop you. Ask your doctor what can still be done. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Thank you.